Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. I'm super excited to go through the 2025 Surveyor 261 RKLE. We haven't had this guy on our lot before, so we're really happy that we've got it in the lineup this season. This coach is weighing in at 6,200 pounds and 30 feet from tip to toe. So great length, great weight, definitely half-ton towable. So let's get started. As you can see, it is a fiberglass exterior. We've been a Surveyor dealer for many years. Always a great product that they produce. Fully enclosed and heated underbelly. Now the way they do that, it has designated heat ducts to the underbelly. As well, their tanks have 12-volt heat pads on them. So you have that added protection for those earlier spring camping days and the later fall days. So not 4-season per se, but it's gonna give you that 3-season plus extension. At the front here, we have a full pass-through storage. They actually have USB charging port in there. It's nice and lit up. Full power awning almost the whole length of the trailer, so that gives you tons of shade on your campsite, and LED lights in there, built-in outdoor speakers. You've got your outside shower right here, so you can hose those pets off or hose the kids' feet off when you get back from the beach. Outlets, satellite connection there. Now this bracket is for a grill. So it's a flat top griddle, comes with the unit, has a little tabletop side thing that slides on there as well. So that is a flat top grill that it comes with. And then the propane connection is just below the trailer. They do your automotive glass doors. So these look great. They're very strong. They're just as strong as the windshields on your vehicles. Nice and tinted. And of course, the solid steps leading up into the trailer. I love these guys because they're nice and sturdy. You can adjust the legs for your campsite to make sure that they're nice and even. At the back of the Surveyor 261 RKLE here, we've got your spare tire. We're going to toss a tire cover on that for you as well. Backup camera prepped and Lippert ladder prepped. So it just has the ladder prep. You can choose to add the backup camera and the ladder through our parts department if you would like to. Okay, so we've stepped inside the 2025 Surveyor 261 RKLE. The space in this coach is phenomenal. I absolutely love it. So this is a rear kitchen model. To my left here, you have the rear kitchen. What I love about your rear kitchens is the counter space is just fantastic. So you've got lots of counter space here. They do have this handy dandy cutting board that also turns into a sink cover. So your stainless steel farm sink, you can add that cover just to give you that little bit more counter space when you're doing food prep or cleanup or hide your dirty dishes in the sink. Residential faucet, love the gold tone hardware in the coach. It just makes it look so classy. And that cutting board just stores right up here. A little bit more counter space over there. They have your 3-burner cooktop, and they actually do a little bit larger oven than some of the competition. So this is a 21-inch oven as opposed to some of the smaller ones. Your microwave up top, great cupboard space. Lots of places for your dishes and that sort of thing. And ample storage throughout the bottom as well. You've got a bank of 3 drawers here, full extension drawers. Nice wide open storage under the sink as well. Deep there. And then you have this cubby on this side with the 2 shelves. To the right, as you're coming through here, there's tons of seating in this coach, you guys. They've added this breakfast bar with the 2 high top chairs. Love these chairs. They're so trendy. They look great. They're easy to wipe down, and they're also quite comfortable. Throughout the coach, you have your roller shades. So these are the nice room darkening roller shades. Up here, they've got your control center with your solar charge controller, as well as your Bluetooth stereo system, 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, and is equipped with 400 watts of solar already standard on this unit. Massive pantry here in the slide out. So lots of room for all your goods. There's a little space at the front here, even to lean a broom up if you need to. Yeah, so as I mentioned, just it's really spacious in here. It's actually surprising. So You've got storage up above the sofa here. This is a tri-fold sofa. So this coach is actually going to be able to sleep about 6 people. 2 on there. And then you have your bench dinette directly across from here. So that pops down to a bed with 2 more, probably grandkids, maybe smaller grandkids sleeping on there if need be. They do USB ports at the dinette as well. And your flat screen TV up above the dinette, which is directly across from your sofa. Another feature in this floor plan, or I guess the design of the floor plan that I do love here in the 261 RKLE is the pass-through washroom. You've got pocket doors on either side, so entrance from the bedroom, of course, entrance from the living area, but they're so spacious. So you have your sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet up here, with great storage in the medicine cabinet. They've got a little built-in toothbrush holder there as well. Porcelain foot flush toilet, and then your residential rectangular shower, I guess, with a skylight. And you also have your motorized roof vent fan to get that air circulating in the washroom. So we're up at the front of the coach here. 60 by 80 residential queen size bed. I think most in the industry are going that way now, but I just like to point that out so it's not a short queen. They've done cutouts at the head of the bed on either side with cup holders, a couple shelves, which is really nice for your reading glasses or your glass of water, that sort of thing when it comes to bedtime. Hanging closet here with a shelf above, and then 2 drawers on the bottom. And they've still managed to keep that storage across the top. I love these storage cabinets across the top of the bed because you can kind of put maybe some extra bedding up there, use baskets to store some smaller clothing items if need be. In addition to all of this storage, they've also added in a bank of 4 drawers at the foot of the bed. So 6,200 pounds dry, 30 feet overall length. This is the 2025 Surveyor 261 RKLE. Be sure to give us a call at Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.